When I say disbelieve, means I have strong belief that something bad is going to happen. You understand? You will have to let go. And if you purify yourself, everything is all right. It's so easy. Reach to the self, reach to that level of shunya, and everything is all right. There is no such thing called genetic disorder. You have the power to correct that genetic disorder. You have the power to heal every deadly disease, incurable disease. Why? Because you had the power to create a disease. If one can create, why that one person cannot reverse? You agree with me or not? Because I want to meet them personally to test whether whatever I have taught you, have you understood or not? But I felt it was not really understood properly. That something is left. So I am repeatedly repeating again, believe in your own self. You are the infinite. And I am showing you the path, how to reach to the self. How to activate the self. And that's what you did in the morning meditation. Did you do it or not? In Delhi, Science Beyond Science, all the learned doctors were there. And I had requested, please bring the diagnostic machines. Do not put on me, because somebody will say, he knows the methods, he must have done it. And my Guru also said, anything if you can do it on yourself, never mention. Any experience you have experienced, never mention. Until and unless you make others experience it. And when you can make others experience, then you mention. So they were there, and there was one machine, ECG machine. They do it on the heart. I said, just pick up one person and fix it on the heart and take the reading. And after that, I will not do the healing. I will not do anything. I will not go close to that person, and I'll keep on talking. That's fair enough, no? I didn't say I'll leave the room and go out. I said, I'll remain there. I'll go on talking. We'll go on discussing about science beyond science. And after 1 hour, we'll again do the test. Let us see what happens. After 1 hour, I say, please do the checkup. And when they did take the reading, they found there was improvement in the ECG. It was not a magic I did. What I did, myself connected to his self, and in the language of silence, I told that self, you have the power to heal your own heart, and why don't you heal your heart? And I am talking now. I may not be able to do the healing part. You are infinite and you are one with Shiva. You better do the healing part. That's what I did. And after that, you found the improvement in ECG. Now, if you can talk to your own self and say, come on, heal my heart, and feel and heal my heart, no, that is not the language the self understands. What he understands, feel that your heart is absolutely healthy. Believe, develop faith that your heart is absolutely healthy. From inner core, not superficially. Not superficially. Do not trick your own self. from the inner core. Believe and have faith. My eyesight is all right. The self, tell the self to do the work, and you will find the healing will take place. It is up to you.